Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this worn out gas stove burner. I have to replace it because it is consuming so much LPG. Okay, let's do it. So for safety purposes, let's turn it off. Let's turn off the tank first. Okay. Okay, now let's remove these things and appurtenances, including this one. And this old burner, I'm going to replace it with this brand new burner that I bought online. Then turn this over. I'm gonna put a light. There is a, what do you call this, where the gas flows out. You have to make those two holes face those connections, and then this one should fit underneath this one. Okay, it's in. Let's put it down. Now let's put the burner cover and this other accessory. Then let's put back the remaining accessories. I'm going to open the tank. Then we're going to test it. See the fire? So that's how easy it is to install a brand new burner. Just make sure that what you are buying is of the same diameter as this one. As for this one, I will still have to buy the same burner with the same diameter. This is how the old burner looks like now. That's why I had to replace it, because it burns out our gas faster. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.